Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Sonja and I am bringing you today an ultimate clean and organize with me. I am going through my downstairs and deep cleaning most of my rooms on my main floor. I am also going to be decluttering and organizing my pantry. Whenever I clean my downstairs, I always start with my front room, and I love using products that are corresponding with the season. So I'm currently using an all-purpose spray from Mrs. Meyer's called Orange and Clove, and I absolutely love that smell. I think it's so fall-like. I am doing this deep cleaning on a day where I had just one child, but she was coming a little bit later. That's why you'll see me in different outfits and stuff, because I was doing this cleaning throughout the day. When I had some time, I was doing it before she came, and then I was doing it during nap time. And once I was finished with my front room, I moved on to the living room. I have a pretty big dog, so this bed is his, and I like to give it a spray down in between the wash with Febreze just to freshen it up. Usually when I have my seasonal decor up, especially fall and winter, I just give my rooms a quick dusting. I don't actually spray down the furniture just because there is way too much to take down. So I just use my dusting mitt from Norwax to dust everything. I also vacuumed and washed the floor in this room right away, just that way the two rooms, this one and dining room, were completely done. And I know you guys are gonna ask, it's a V6 Dyson stick vacuum and a Norwax mop, and I just have some water and vinegar solution in a bottle that I put down on a spray down on the floor to wipe. Then I move on to my dining room. I have my fall coffee bar station set up here, and this one needed a good tidying up, and then I ended up doing the vacuuming and washing the floor. My dog loves the vacuum. Today I did not clean my family room. I was gonna do that tomorrow or the next day, so you won't see me doing that because I still had kids, and I usually like to clean my powder room and my family room, as well as the kitchen on the days that the kids aren't coming or the last that they're coming that week. Did, however, clean my eating area. This was just a daily cleaning where I wipe down the tables, the chairs. I do this every single day, and then I also tidied it up. I did the same thing with the kitchen. I gave it a good tidying. I didn't do a deep cleaning because I was moving on to my pantry, because that needed deep cleaning. I don't know how on earth this happens all the time, where this pantry just gets out of hand.
together, you, oh you. I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do.
So when I moved to Pantry, I took everything out, every drawer, and I cleaned it, took everything out, sorted everything, put everything where it needs to go, took stuff that needed to go out and put it where it needs to go. I also did a list of stuff that I needed to buy that was empty. I vacuumed each and every drawer, and then I also cleaned them up. Now for the cleaning of the cupboards, I like to use vinegar and water, and I had found this Allen's cleaner, which is vinegar and water with essential oil. And I have a lemon one that I used up, and now I'm using lavender. I wish they had a little bit more seasonal scents, but they don't.
Once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this clean and declutter with me. I certainly got lots done, lots more to do, but I was happy with the way the pantry turned out. I think it was so well organized, and I'm curious to see how long it's going to actually stay this way. So until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you got tons of motivation today to get something done, or maybe to clean along with me. So until next time, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.